Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the Chain of Legends. It's been 1 month since the last time we were in here, so we're going to be checking out how our account is doing and what has changed. So keep watching.
Hey, it's me, Jessie, welcoming you to another video. Once again, we are dropping into Chain of Legends where 2 new events will be happening very soon, so stay tuned. And remember, if you have any comments or questions, post them below the video, and why not check out RJ's channel for more opportunities to earn cryptocurrency for free, cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto-related stuff. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell, so you're alerted to all of his new content as it comes online. Thanks for watching.
Okay, and welcome to another video, and a big shout out to Jesse for that great intro. Now, it has been 1 month, like I said in the introduction, since the last time we're in here, and quite a lot has changed. I've upgraded a lot of stuff, I've added new troops, I actually completed a task I've been trying to do, but I didn't get the payout, so I was a little bit miffed about that, but we'll talk about that later. And also, as well, as Jesse mentioned, there are 2 new challenges coming up very shortly, which I'll give you a bit of a quick sort of update or a little bit more detail on it. Not much more, but a little bit more. And anyway, so let's get into it. So like I say, it's been 1 month since the last time we were in here. So 1 month ago, our Clegg mine was at level 4. You can now see we are at level 5. Our stone mine was at level 5. We're still at level 5. Our iron mine was at level 4. We're still at level 4. But our barracks was at level 4 1 month ago, but we've actually managed to upgrade that now to level 5. So that means we're only 2 levels away from being able to create a guild. Now, that is something I really want to do. I've had a lot of positive feedback from you guys as well, saying that you would like to have a guild. So like I say, we're only 2 levels away, so that still gives you guys time to sort of get your accounts up to a point where you are allowed to join my guild, which I still think is a bit weird. Personally, I think whether you could join my guild or not join my guild should essentially be up to me, being the creator of the guild. But unfortunately, Chain of Legends have put an actual limit on the members as well as to when you can join my guild. So anyway, we've got 2 more levels. I'm not sure how long that's going to take me, but hopefully it will give a lot of you enough time to be able to build up your accounts to get to the point where we can all start working together and start completing some of these challenges as a guild. So if we drop into our barracks, so we go into open. So 1 month ago, our Guardian was level 4. We're still at level 4. Warrior was level... Yeah, our Warrior was level 4. You can now see we are at level 5. Our Archer was level 4, still at level 4. Our Dragon was level 3, but we've now got 2. So we've now got 2 dragons. I actually purchased another one because it was going really cheap in the market, and because I've been trying to complete the quest that was basically if you could capture a dragon, or you basically tried to capture a dragon, then you got some free items from the for the quest, and that's that's the quest I felt that I completed, but or I did sort of complete, but anyway, we'll talk about it in a bit. Also as well, so a month ago we had our mage at level 3, but we've now got 2 mages. So we've got one at level 4 and we've got another one at level 3. And the reason why I've got the second one is, again, if you go into the quests, there's actually a quest that if you train up 3 new troops, then you get some items there. I trained up 2 troops. I trained up a warrior, which I sold on the marketplace, and then I trained up the mage, which I've kept, because basically mages in battles, because their range is so good, it really means that you can sort of, it almost protects your mage, because the range of their magic is really good, so you can sort of kill off your enemy before they actually get to the point of killing your mage, essentially, because of the distance. Anyway, I'm babbling. We also, as well, we did a quest and we actually gained a goblin. You can see there we've got a goblin at level 4. I didn't purchase that from the market. That was something I gained from a quest. Now, if we go into quests, so on here, basically one of the quests was that if you could capture a dragon, then basically you got some items. So I couldn't seem to capture the dragon in the level 8 dungeon. So but I did manage to capture the goblin in level 8. So I thought what I'll do is, and this is the reason why I've gained a few troops, i.e. the dragon and the mage, the reason why I've hung on to them is because I wanted to do the level 16 dungeon. Now if we go in here and we go to dungeon, that one there, that is the level 16 dungeon. Now the other day, I'm sure you probably saw it over the last week or so, that dungeon has also been at ×2 rewards, which is another reason why I wanted to sort of try and get to the point where I could sort of get through it without losing, basically. And if we go in here, go to adventure history somewhere, you can see that we were actually victorious. We had a couple of failed attempts. There was one here that was a failed attempt, and then another one here that was a failed attempt. But this one we were actually victorious, and the annoying thing was we were victorious. Okay, we didn't gain a dragon in that battle, but the quest then got removed from the quest list. So that was a little bit annoying, because it's sort of like I sort of got through the dungeon and then it got removed. So like I say, but anyway, let's quickly look at how the battle went. And so you can see how I set my troops up. So in, for future reference, you can see here we've got 4 dragons against us. They're only level 2 dragons though, but you can see, like I said, I've got a mage at the top, a mage at the bottom, well back, so like I say, that protects them. And then I've got my archer, which has also got good range, well back to protect that. And then anyway, here we go. This is what happened. So the goblin takes first strike at our guardian. Here we go. Okay. Look at that. Dragon has nearly taken out that top guardian straight away. Okay, that's the top goblin gone. Here comes the dragons. Actually, this music's quite cool, actually. Reminds me of Vangelis. There's probably some of you going, who the hell is Vangelis? Okay, 2 dragons left. 1 dragon left. That's it, done. And if you looked there, basically our mage, our archer, and our other mage, which were well back. I don't think they even really lost any too much. They basically didn't really lose any power. The guardian, the warrior, and obviously the goblin, they did lose power. I didn't realize I hadn't collected my coins actually, so Yeah, click that 2,155. Yeah, so obviously, like I say, we did really well there. I just want to see if we're actually ready to go off. Yeah, so we are actually ready to go off on another adventure. So again, we're going to go to level 16. We're going to do that. So you've still got 1% chance of capturing a dragon, 10% chance of capturing a goblin. Okay, so I'll arrange my exactly the same as last time. So here, and then I put my other mage sort of like there, I think we had it. And then we want our, no, actually, that's wrong. That was there. And then we want our dragon, one there, and one there. And then I put my archer at the back there, sort of like, in fact, there. And then goblin, ooh, well, that didn't do what I meant it to do. Goblin there. I think this is right. And then we want our guardian here. And is that right? I think that's right. And then we want our warrior there. I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. I think that's how we pretty much had it last time. Oh, did that go there? That go there? That was there. Actually, that might have been there. That might have been there. That was there, I think, and then that was there. Yeah, I think that's actually right. That's right now. Yeah, I think that's right. Right, okay, so we can start the adventure. Okay, right, so as normal, it takes 2 days, so that's 1 day out. Defeat the foes, and then travel 1 day back. Okay, so the challenges or events that we were talking about, or that Jesse mentioned at the beginning, if we look here, basically it says Chain of Legends, May the 1st is beginning of 2 challenges in Chain of Legends, along with surprises and giveaways. Can you guess what the events or the surprises are? So obviously, I know it doesn't give much details, but basically we know that there's definitely challenges coming, and hopefully they're going to give, obviously, going to be some nice giveaways and with surprises. So that's going to be interesting to read up about. So obviously what I'll do is, it's going to be a few more days. I will do a quick update on that when it turns up, and we can see what that's all about. But anyway, I'm going to leave that there. So I hope you found that fun, interesting, and informative. If you can give a big thumbs up, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.